Hello guys. Hey, welcome today. I need to search you. And oh my gosh, guys, this is a factory items. Oh, so very cool. Wait, what? Where? Whoa, wow. What's this? Is this M? Search the MM. Wow. I like it. This new M M M N O. Oh my gosh. B mob S. No more mobs. We need what is this? Oh my gosh, guys, it's too cool. Wait, what? What is this? What is this thing? What is this? Wait. Tank. Let me see. Wait. A. Let me see. That is not a real. Wait, I need to find it. What's there? Where is this? Hey, what's that? No, because our what? Wait, let me check. Play. Where is this? There. What next? Thanks. Whoa. Wow. What is though? I need to search. Oh my god, guys. Who is too cool. Guys, I want to show you in the Western. Hey! Oh, no. Oh my gosh. I want to... Here. I found this. Here. Hello guys. That is not a real. We need to go in the Grand Hotel. But is this really in the bed or not a real? Let's check. Let's check in the under. Let's check with under. Count. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! How to kill it? Oh guys. Let's go in the BC. We need to find it. Where's in the store? I cannot found it. What? Whoa. No. Hey, what is that? Hey, what the? Oh, guys, we need to find her. What we are by it? Wait! No! No! Yes, that's it! I find it's that! Hey, what's that? Oh my gosh! Wow, ang laki-laki na. Guys, I'm here in the Philippines. I was here Philippines. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's too fast. Wow, it's too fast. Yes, thankfully. Shit. Yes, victory. Thank you. A. Is this a tank? Wait. No, it's serious. That is not real. Yes, how they have many guns, so many guns. I need to teach you. Guys, subscribe and please this. Our we have. I have no anymore. Let's go out with players, multiplayer. Subscribe, guys.